holes inside the van leading to the inside sill. One of them is missing a black plastic cap on the side, and I've already rooted around inside and took out some rubbish. But looking down inside, I'll show you, there's like a load of crud in there, which can't be doing any good. So before I start going any further and covering it all, I'm going to take off all these caps, stick a brush, small bottle brush or something in there to get all the, loosen it all up best I can, then stick the hoover nozzle down there. So that's before. I'll just do it again once I've finished and see what the difference is. So all that stuff down there can only hold in moisture and it can't be good for the van, so I'll get it out first. Let's give it a go.
So it's just been our first initial clean. We've not scrubbed anything yet, but as you can see down the cavities that go down to the
inner sills.
The inner sills. Thank you, Andrew. Forgot what it was. Yeah, you've got a void in there, and it's important to clean them out because we've just found all that crap, as it were.
Just sticking your hand down.
Yeah, just by having a rummage round in the crevice. Pardon the vulgarity. But yeah, just make sure all your crevices are clean.
Trap moisture.
Yeah, it's going to trap moisture, and it's going to, yeah, the metal and everything's just going to rust down and again cause issues. Yeah, just a random screw that's been lobbed down there.
Rusty already.
Yeah, it's going to cause damage to your metal work that you've got as the foundations of your home in your van. So just get rid of it. Take the time to give it a good thorough clean out and make sure there's nothing nasty that's going to affect it in the long term. Okay?
Right, I'll hoover out to see a difference now to before. Like see, I've brushed it all out, took all the caps off and down everyone. Oops, you can see. Also, when I was down there, I found the missing one, so happy days. So stuff came back down there again. Pretty much what came out. You can see that. I was empty before. What came out of it. That's all back on again, including the missing one that I found down there. Bonus. I took off all the other side. I've not had a look down yet, but there weren't any missing on this side, so hopefully it's not going to be as bad. But let's give it a go. Let's have a look. Oh, I found some more of them things. I found a couple of them already. Railway detonators. There's a couple more down there. Yeah, debris. No, we've got all the caps are on this side, so I don't know it's gone down unless they've gone down there. Maybe. Anyway, I'll fish all them out. Have another hoover out. Yeah. And I'll show you again. Not as much actual soil or dirt come out this side, obviously because of all the caps are on this side, but that's all the junk that I've got out. A couple more of them exploding train warning cap things. Big metal bar for, I think it's like a still saw. Yeah, I see any better down there. So yeah, cleared out all the loose debris. The plan is I'm gonna spray some corrosion stuff, doing like some lanolin thing. Brand names available. What's that? I missed something. Yeah, I'll get that. Well, yeah, got all caps in back for now, but then I'll go and I've ordered some rust protection stuff, which I'll spray from this end. And then in a couple of years' time, I might have to find another access and get was it a magic wand thing, I don't know, and spray it again, because I know it doesn't last forever. But yeah, while the caps are off, I can get access, should I? I'll do it from here first of all. Right, I don't think this is going to be a good thing or a bad thing, get lots of comments on it, but I'm going to try and oops, turn the light on. Down there, where I cleaned out, spray with this stuff. No, it doesn't last forever. I know it should be wax oil or whatever, I don't know, but I think I don't like wax oil. So I'm going to try this stuff. Can't do any harm, can it? So, yeah. Just on the other side, I'm going to try and do this side one-handed. I'll show you what I'm doing. I remember watching some reviews saying this stuff stinks, but it's got a very slight smell to it. When it dries, sets, whatever. I don't think it will smell at all, but I should try it, especially if it's down there anyway. Nothing's going to occur. Oops, let's try that again. Light on. Better. So I'm trying to do it at the moment. I've cleaned it the best I can. Obviously, it would be ideal to get it perfectly clean, but I've got 90% of the rubbish out of there. Just kind of aiming. Next one. It's just going down there. I'll put the camera down, give it a better job, and I'll show you all better once I've finished. All done. I did get it originally to do the underside, but as I was doing this bit, I thought, what harm can it be done to do down here anyway? Give it a squirt. It has got a, now it's all done, I'll squirted a good amount of it. It has got a slight smell about it. It's like a very slight greasy smell, really, the best word to describe it. But it's not overpowering or nothing, but hopefully when it's dried and cured, when I've got these caps back on, when the van's made anyway, all the insulation and stuff on, it won't be a problem. It's not really a problem now, to tell you the truth, but yeah, you see, really, it's like very thin. Tell you what, let's try, I'll show you, I'll spray it again. It's not set yet, there you go, just a coating on it down there. I'll give it a spray again now. So being down there, I don't know, I paid special attention to down there. You see, obviously I've gone a bit crazy, but hopefully it's dry, because I thought if anywhere it's going to collect is right at the end, near the wheel well. If ever get any water down there. But anyway, hope it's not needed. I'm just going a bit over the top. But while it's out, while I can get access, while I've got the stuff, I thought, why not? There we go.
And the last part of that treatment with the Lanocare is that, presumably to stop the oils congealing in the tubing, you need to clean it out after every application with hot soapy water, just so it's going to be clean to be able to do it again for the next stage. Let's see how easy that is. So just submerge the end of it in and just pumping through the hot soapy water, hopefully.
There we go.
And there we go, building up some pressure now to push through any of the product that's still in the tube.
Starting to come through. It takes a long time to get locked because it's a long tube on this. It's not the best trigger time, I'm being honest. It's not coming through.
We'll edit this down. I'll just say that this took approximately.
The trigger's Useless. I have to stop it. I don't know what's gone now for it. This trigger.
Alright, so just make sure that you unscrew the cap and allow the water to come through, because unfortunately
Must have knocked
Andrew was a bit of a boob.
That's close.
Yeah, it's easy to knock it on by accident, so yeah, just untwist it and it'll come through in a couple of minutes.
I had it on the spray, so
a couple of seconds, I should say.
I want it on the fine mist setting.
Yeah.
So yeah, I took it off the fine mist.
Well, it's coming through all right now. There we go.
Yeah. Yeah, I didn't miss. I had a mist setting like that when I sprayed.
Yeah.
Yeah, to clean.
You need it on the main spray setting, and all the yellow has gone out of the tube by the looks of it. It looks like it's nice and cleaned out. Let's get all the water out of there as well now. Real.